saying we're gonna vent our frustration, and if we don't, we're gonna blow a 50 amp fuse. I said, you can't always get what you want. No, you can't always get what you want. No, said you can't always get what you want. But if you try so hard, well, you might find you get what you need. Oh, you get what you need. Oh.